year has been exceptional for jewelry, especially for gold and silver, because the gold and silver has reached all-time high this year. Today we are at the Chandni Chowk, and the heart of the Chandni Chowk is this market, the jewelry and silver market. And we will be going across the shopkeeper, the jeweler, to understand the ongoing trend. And right now I'm at the Sri Ram Hari Ram Jewelers, and with me is one of the jeweler from the Chandni Chowk, which is very renowned shop. Sir, thank you so much for talking to NewsX India News. Raja ji, could you please tell us about what is the trend going on? क्या trend चल रहा है और ये साल कैसा रहा gold and silver के हिसाब से?
बहुत अच्छा रहा और ट्रेंड भी बहुत अच्छा है. People have really appreciated, made money in their investments. जिनकी भी ज्वेलरी, जिनके पास भी स्टॉक्स, जिनके पास भी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स गोल्ड में और सिल्वर में थी, that has gone twice or thrice. So people are very happy. The main thing in investment in jewelry or any other item is that if it appreciates, it gives you a satisfaction. So anyone who has invested money in their jewelry are all very happy.
अगर सर हम बात करें तो क्या डिफरेंस है, जैसे अगर हम शुरुआत की बात करें 2025 जनवरी की बात करें, वो क्या प्राइस उस टाइम था, अब दिसंबर में हम वी आर एंड ऑफ द ईयर, अभी क्या प्राइस है, और पिछले 2 महीने में अगर हम बात करें कितना बदलाव देखने को मिल रहा है, पर्टिकुलरली अगर हम गोल्ड की बात करें और सिल्वर की बात करें?
Silver has appreciated about twice from January to Diwali, and after Diwali it has again appreciated by 50% more. So that means from January it has gone up thrice, and gold has appreciated almost twice from January.
So what did you think is the right time to invest in jewelry?
For speculation, never a right time, but for investment it is always a right time. You just buy it and keep it. In next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, it is going to appreciate like the last 40 years trend, 30 years trend. Everyone has earned money.
So also, what did you think? Has there any impact of the change in GST that has happened? The people have come up for the investment purpose after the change in GST, because they were we have seen the change of lakhs of rupees when the people are going to buy cars in the showroom. So the people that were saving the money, has they invested in jewelry or in gold?
See, GST is concerning only Indian market. Bullion is connected to all the prices of the world, and the total demand of bullion in India is only about 40% of the total production of the gold and silver in India, in the world. So GST actually does not make any impact, but the prices are controlled internationally. We only add the duty component to the prices which are outside, and that is how we sell the gold and silver. So GST, I don't think that GST is going to make a difference at all. Of course, yes, GST might make a difference in the overall buying powers of the investors, but Indian market is only a fragment of the total demand of gold and silver. So I don't agree to the fact that GST will make a difference.
Also, if we talk about, as I started the segment saying that this was the year which has seen the highest of the gold and silver prices. What was the reason behind that? What was the reason behind the gold reaching the all-time high?
See, what we have been made to understand is that there are banks who are now buying gold, and they are buying a huge quantity of gold. Maybe they are shifting their reserves from dollars to gold. Maybe they are buying gold and gold. So what is happening is the demand of gold is increasing every year, and the buying of gold by the banks and the FIs is increasing every year. So the supply is limited and the demand is greater.
Also, the silver is talk of the hour right now. People are talking about is the right time to buy a silver, or we should invest in silver. How did you see, as as the one of the most crucial part of this market, how did you see the silver playing the role right now?
Again, like I said, silver or gold, they are going to rise in next 2 years, 3 years. There has to be a jump. There might be a fall in short term. So if it is for speculation, please don't buy. But if you want to buy and keep it, please do.
Also, if we talk about the jewelry industry, has faced any challenge this year in 2025, and what was that challenge?
two challenges. People don't accept the change in the metal prices so fast. So the moment there's a instant increase in the prices, people don't buy it instantly. They only buy if they are committed to buy for a wedding or something. So for that reason, there was a slight resistance in the buying power that they were wanting to defer the purchases. But now they realize that the prices have gone up, not as a speculation. They have just gone up. So now the market is back to normal.
What is the thing that people are demanding the most as far as the silver or the gold is concerned?
Bullion, of course, and besides bullion, everything now. Jewelry, showpieces, everything. Now it is back to normal.
Also, as we talk about the ending year 2025, we will also be focusing about the coming year because that's going to be the future. So, what did you think? What the 2026 is going to bring for the jewelry industry?
It's going to be very nice. It is nice now also, and it is going to be very nice because that is the only luxury item which appreciates by time. You buy something for yourself, and after 20 years, you give it to your children. So there is something which is going to appreciate in next 10 years, 20 years. It is going to be 4 times, 5 times.
So, you're predicting that the prices in 2026 is also going to.
I'm just telling you the last trend of the last 40 years. Well, if you can see the last 4 generations, if you could see your dadi, and every time, every year, it was always expensive when they bought it. Looking at the value of the money that time, gold and silver were never cheap. So they were expensive in 1960 because of the rupee value. They were expensive in 1970. It is expensive today also, but it is luxury, and luxury which increases by time. So I think every year is a good time.
So, any advice or any suggestion that you want to give to the customers?
Yes, please buy. That's it.
Thank you so much. So definitely we will be also going across the showroom to show you how, what is the trend, what the people are buying right now. Also, hi, what's your name?
Hi, this is Shweta.
Shweta, I just want to know what the people are demanding right now, what the new that the showroom has come up for 2026 for the new year.
Yeah, that's like all 22 carat, 18 carat, 14 carat in gold and in diamonds as well. And in silver also, there are just huge demands in silver coins and all articles, like, every article. And though it's like surging past, the prices have surging past since January, still they are buying, the customers are coming and buying and going, and they are like just making investments in every items actually. So you can see these are all silver items in 50 grams, 100 grams silver coins, and they're buying. I like, and also gold, the temple jewelry is very much in, and bangles and everything. They are just buying in huge numbers.
These are the silver plates.
Yeah, these are silver
Wedding cards.
wedding cards.
Hello, hi. These are silver wedding cards. We offer sterling silver wedding cards in 92.5% silver, and then we can get the invitation printed on the card.
So is this the new trend that has come in the market? Or
No, this is a very traditional trend. It has been going on since more than 30-40 years. But the designing keeps on changing. But to give a silver card has been a tradition since very long, basically.
Also, if we talk about the price difference in the beginning of 2025 until now, how much price, like what was the price of it in the beginning and what is the price right now? So how?
It's been a major difference. I think there has been more than a rise of 1.5 lakhs in the silver rate and approximately 70 to 80,000 per gram in the gold rate in 1 year. In 1 year, yes.
So what the people are demanding the most right now, what they are asking?
Well, Polki jewelry is a lot in trend. Polki open setting jewelry, we are innovating a lot in Navratan collection also. And even in diamond 14 karat jewelry is a lot in trend. And color stones also, rubies, emeralds, they are also in trend. And even in temple jewelry. Yes.
Also, we will be also going to the customers because they are the one which plays the very crucial role as the jewelers also asking the customers to be in, to come and to buy the jewelry from the shop. We will be also, sir, आपसे भी बातचीत करना चाहेंगे। इस साल आपने कैसे देखा है और कितनी शॉपिंग ज्वेलरी और सिल्वर में की है, और किस तरीके से रेट्स को आप देखते हैं कि इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पज से क्या आप खरीद रहे हैं?
आप किस तरह से पूछना चाह रहे हैं बताइए आप।
इस बार आपने जिस तरीके से रेट्स बढ़े हैं, तो आपने क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट के पर्पज से भी खरीदी है ज्वेलरी?
नहीं, मैं तो सेल्समैन हूँ यहाँ पे, कस्टमर नहीं हूँ। तो जनरली क्या है कि रॉ मटेरियल ज़्यादा खरीद रहे हैं आजकल इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से, क्योंकि कोई भी आइटम हम लेंगे ना तो उसमें मेकिंग चार्ज एक्स्ट्रा जुड़ जाते हैं। तो वो विदाउट मेकिंग है। जो सिल्वर बार आती है, कटिंग आती है हाफ के जी, 1 kg अप्रॉक्सीमेट वेट या 2 kg। सिल्वर बार 30 किलो की आती है, उसके टुकड़ा दे 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, आपको जितनी भी लेनी है तो वो मिल जाएगी आपको, जितनी भी रिक्वायरमेंट है। वो इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से तो वही ले रहे हैं।
सबसे बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से वो रहता है, क्योंकि उसमें मेकिंग चार्जेस
मेकिंग नहीं है, नहीं ये
definitely. Also, we'll try to have a conversation with some of the customers. Also, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम अभिमन्यु है.
क्या कुछ खरीदा आपने अभी फिलहाल?
We are investing in silver at the moment. Yeah.
आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पज से खरीदा है, क्या कुछ क्या पसंद कर रहे हैं, क्या इन्वेस्ट करने की सोच रहे हैं?
Looking at the trend, we are following the trend to be honest, and then we bought around 2 kilos of silver just for the investment purpose.
You are hoping that in the coming years the silver is also going to.
Yeah, it's gonna boom for sure. After reading all the articles, following the book of Rich and Dad, it's gonna cross 4 lakh for sure.
मैम, आपने क्या खरीदा है ज्वेलरी? आप सोना पहनने के लिए ले रही है या फिर इन्वेस्ट करने?
नहीं नहीं, मैं पहनने के लिए ले रही हूँ और अपनी बेटी के लिए ले रही हूँ। और यहाँ से हम लोग लेते रहते हैं, और ये समझ लो आप कि हम लोग बचपन से आते हैं यहाँ पे और बहुत टाइम से लेते हैं। और बेटे की मैरिज हो या बेटी की मैरिज हो, कभी भी कुछ भी होता है तो हम लोग लेते हैं यहाँ से।
रेट बढ़ रहे हैं, क्या उन्होंने इम्पैक्ट किया है आप लोगों को? या
फर्क तो नहीं, फर्क तो पड़ता है, ऐसी बात नहीं है। अगर हम कुछ भी लेते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं तो फ़र्क तो पड़ता ही है, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं पड़ता है। लेकिन वो बस ये होता है कि भाई एक रिक्वायरमेंट होती है तो ले लेते हैं, बस ये वाली बात है।
Definitely. As you can see also, it's a buzzing market and buzzing showroom. It's a new year and people are, coming in large number to buy the antique pieces, to buy the beautiful jewelry. Also, we like to have a conversation with some of the customers who are here to, in fact, buy. Sir, आपसे भी बातचीत करना चाहेंगे, क्या नाम है आपका?
ललित.
सर, आपने क्या खरीदा है और इस साल आपने कैसे देखा है ज्वेलरी और जो सिल्वर के दामों को बढ़े हैं?
अभी जो परचेज किया है वो डॉटर इन लॉ के लिए मैंने एक छोटी सी रिंग ली है. वो बाहर रहती है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया रहती है, सिडनी. तो आई हुई थी तो मैंने उसको गिफ्ट के उसमें जो है वो ली है रिंग.
कैसे ट्रेंड देख रहे हैं? रेट जिस तरीके से बढ़ रहे हैं,
रेट तो बढ़ ही रहे हैं. अब वो लेना भी ज़रूरी है, जो ओकेज़न है, जो भी ज़रूरत है वो तो लेना ही है, तो लिया है.
इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पज से भी आप लोग खरीद?
इन्वेस्टमेंट से नहीं लिया है, ये गिफ्ट के उससे लिया है.
गिफ्टिंग पर्पज से लिया है, ठीक है. So definitely, some people are buying it for the investment purpose, some are buying it for the gifting purpose. Also, we'll try to have more conversation with the customers also. And as you can see, this is the payment counter, and also would like to show you the other antique pieces around the showroom. As you can see, they come up with the unique designs, and the people, it's one of the oldest jewelry showroom of the Chandni Chowk of the Delhi, and they in fact attract the thousands of buyers from across the country. People come here to buy. Also will like to ma'am, क्या नाम है आपका?
नीलम.
मैम, क्या कुछ पसंद किया है? अभी देखने आई हैं या फिर कुछ ले?
नहीं, देखने ही आए थे.
क्या कुछ देख?
सिल्वर.
सिल्वर देखते आई है. क्यों सिल्वर पे क्यों इतना attract कर रहा है?
सिल्वर के रेट बढ़ रहे हैं.
अच्छा,
जी, इसीलिए.
इसलिए आप सिल्वर देखने आई है.
इन्वेस्टमेंट करना हो तो जैसे.
अच्छा, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पज से क्या लेंगी? प्लेट देखेंगी, कॉइन देखेंगी, क्या कुछ लग रहा है? क्या लेने?
कॉइन देखेंगे.
कॉइन देखेंगे.
जी.
आपको लग रहा है कि आने वाले दिनों में और भी बढ़ सकते हैं?
हाँ, वैसे सोशल मीडिया पर देख रहे हैं तो उसमें यही बता रहे हैं जैसे बढ़ेंगे रेट.
इसीलिए इन्वेस्टमेंट.
जी जी.
Definitely, the silver is attracting the customers here, and as you can see, these all things. सर, आप थोड़ा सा हमें अगर बता सकें कि क्या कुछ है और सबसे ज़्यादा कस्टमर्स किस चीज़ को पसंद कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि सिल्वर जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है इस टाइम लोगों को.
सिल्वर ऑर्नामेंट्स ले रहे हैं, सिल्वर कॉइन ले रहे हैं.
अच्छा,
सिल्वर वैल्यूएशन जैसे बढ़ रहा है उसी हिसाब से ले रहे हैं.
I would request my camera person to show around. These are the ornaments of made of silver, and as you can see, the glasses are there, the kettles are there, also the boxes, plate. What are the new ornaments that the showroom has?
Documents.
Okay, so definitely as you saw, also we like to have a conversation. मैम आपसे क्या नाम है आपका?
ममता श्रीवास्तव।
मैम क्या कुछ देख रही हैं, कहाँ से आई हैं? यहीं दिल्ली से ही हैं? क्या लेने आई थी पहले तो बताइए।
मैं कुछ देने भी आई थी और कुछ लेने भी आई थी, अब देखती हूँ जैसा मेरा बजट होता है।
अच्छा, तो स्पेशल गोल्ड लेने आई हैं या फिर सिल्वर?
दोनों।
गोल्ड दोनों। अच्छा, तो किस तरीके से अभी के ट्रेंड देख रही हैं, रेट्स जो बढ़ रहे हैं, तो आपको लग रहा है ये सही टाइम है खरीदने का, आने वाले समय में और बढ़ेगा?
मजबूरी है, इस टाइम खरीदने की मजबूरी है।
वेडिंग वगैरह है घर में?
हाँ,
तो वेडिंग के पर्पस से शॉपिंग?
हाँ, नहीं तो अगर जिस हिसाब से रेट है उस हिसाब से तो उम्मीद नहीं थी कि खरीदा जाए, बस ये है।
बिल्कुल, तो of course the surge in prices have in fact affected the people, as we also talk to the people, also they are customers. As you can see, the entire showroom has been this is the gold rings that you are witnessing in this particular desk. Also we like to have a conversation. Hello ma'am, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम अमिता।
मैम क्या कुछ देख रही है?
मैं रिंग्स देख रही हूँ
अपने लिए।
यस।
किस तरीके का ट्रेंड देख रही हैं? इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस से ले रही हैं या फिर पहनने के पर्पस से ले रही है?
मैं तो पहनने के पर्पस से ले रही हूँ। अब इन्वेस्टमेंट तो इतना महंगा गोल्ड है, छोटा मोटा बिल्कुल लाइट वेट सोच रही हूँ। मेरे को रिंग्स का शौक है इसलिए रिंग देख रही हूँ।
और ये साल कैसा रहा? आपने जो आपको लगा कि इसमें ज़्यादा बढ़ा है और आने वाले समय में भी और बढ़ेगा, या फिर आपको लग रहा है कि अभी खरीद लेना चाहिए?
नहीं, ये मतलब गोल्ड तो बड़ा है, काफ़ी बढ़ गया है। मतलब 1,37,000 कह रहे हैं ये लोग, है ना, तो बड़ा ही है। और पिछले साल मतलब इसके 1 लाख के अंदर अंदर था। मैंने अभी मई में लिया था तो इट वाज नियर अबाउट 1 लाख के करीब था। तो अब तो मतलब काफ़ी बढ़ गया और बढ़ ही रहा है। पर जैसे एक क्रेज़ है ना कि गोल्ड लेना है, कुछ लेना है, इसीलिए इस साल में हल्का सा ले रही हूँ। थोड़े से पैसे जमा कर लिए हैं किट्टी पार्टी से, इसीलिए, वरना तो बहुत मुश्किल है लेना।
नए साल का गिफ्ट आप खुद को दे रही है?
खुद को, हाँ, खुद को ही दे रही हूँ। नए साल का पैसे जमा किए, पर ये कि हाँ, ये गोल्ड में मतलब इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे तो अभी आगे सुन रही हूँ कि 2 लाख तक जाएगा 2026 में। तो जिनके पास पैसा है कर सकते हैं गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट।
So definitely, people have that excitement of buying gold and silver, in fact, and they're hoping that the coming years there will be the surge in the prices. Also, we'd like to have a conversation with some of the ladies also who are, here to buy the gold jewelry. Ma'am, hi, क्या नाम है आपका?
I'm not interested.
Okay. Thank you. So definitely, as you saw, the also I will request my camera person to show around. This is one of the most renowned showroom of the Chandni Chowk where we are standing right now. And in fact, from silver to gold to the diamonds, everything people can buy at one place. And in fact, if we talk about the trend right now, the silver and gold this year has gone the highest, and also what is expected that in the coming years, also in the coming 2026, also the prices are going to surge of gold and silver. I'm Arzu Said with video journalist Deepak for NewsX in Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.